What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Simple Sick Builds. We're currently chilling in the E46, as you guys could tell, and today is a good day because today I'm finally installing the car part that I've been wanting to install for the last month. And the reason I haven't installed it, I haven't had time, and I still need to get it painted. I finally painted it, and if you guys are following the channel or following any of the builds I've been trying to achieve here on the channel, if you guys see my Miata drift build that never came to light, never was able to finish that car, I'm trying to replicate that same thing but with this E46. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to show you what I picked up on Facebook Market for super cheap. I got blessed with this part because these things are expensive. Well, for me, right? They're expensive for me. Somebody might just have the money and they're like, ah, that ain't expensive, but to me it is. So let me go ahead and show you what I picked up for the E46 drift build project. So as you can tell, I have all the doors open, and I don't know if you can see in the background that little yellow thing. There we go. This is what I picked for the E46 about 3 months ago, but I haven't had time because I didn't want it to have raw metal. I wanted to have an actual colored cage. And this is the color that I'm in love with, the neon yellow, well, fluorescent yellow. The paint job isn't the best. This is all rattle can Rust-Oleum, so it looks decent, it looks good. So let's go ahead and see how I'm gonna tackle this on here, because I think I'm gonna have to jack up the car from the rear, because we're gonna have to first trim these things right here. I fit it inside when I first got it, and I noticed these are in the way, little like screws that are popping out. Same thing on the opposite side, as you guys could tell right there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut those things off, and after we cut those things off, we're gonna go ahead and put it inside. But first, let me go ahead and jack up the car and remove the rear back wheels, so we can go ahead and actually work on the car, so we can go ahead and put the screws underneath, drill holes, all that good stuff. So with that being said, let's get this thing started. And just like that, we grinded down those studs, or whatever the hell they were. I guess it was to hold that harness in place. Both sides are down. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to ask somebody to help me put the cage in here. Once it's in here, we can go ahead and see what we need to do next. But so far, this seems kind of cool, you know. Doesn't take too long, hopefully. Every time I say that, we end up running into obstacles. But hopefully not today, baby. We finally got the cage in, boys, and I don't know why I thought it would be a smart idea to put it in with the bars. So I had to take off the bars, unfortunately, and we did run the wires inside the cage, not on the outside, due to the fact that I don't want to pinch it right here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do right now, I'm going to go ahead, and the first holes I'm going to be drilling are the ones for the main hoop. After the main hoop is secured, then we're going to move on to the ones on the actual wheel well. That way I can jack up the car and take off these wheels, and as long as this is sturdy and lined up, this would be sturdy and lined up, I'm assuming, right? So that's my guess. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure everything is centered, and then we'll start drilling holes. All right, you guys, so think we're lined up. I checked underneath this thing. There's nothing I'm gonna hit. So let's go ahead and full send this bad boy. And hopefully I don't mess anything up. Oh man. This sucks because I'm in an awkward position. So hopefully everything goes good and we straight. So unfortunately, I won't be able to get to this hole because there's no way in hell I can do anything here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the other screws on, and then I'm gonna go underneath it and drill upwards once the car's lifted. So let me go ahead and get out of here because I'm all tangled up and chilling inside the cage. I'll show you guys right now. It is funny as heck. Give me 1 second. Yeah, boys, I'm literally inside the cage, like laying in the back here. Good thing I'm flexible or else I would be screwed. But yeah, let me get out of here. It's hot. I have both doors closed on the rear. So, yeah, let me go ahead and flip myself around. And I'm going to do the opposite side on this side. And we'll be golden. I don't know how I'm going to get out. I got in. I don't know how I'm going to get out. Alright, now we're going to do the opposite side. So, let's see how I'm going to do this one. So on this side, I was able to do all three since I don't have this bar in the way. That's what's keeping me from drilling. Well, that one right there. So let's go ahead and put the plates in on this side and we'll be all set. Looks crazy. We already got the bolts done now. Everything's all good in here. And we're just missing one down there. Nothing too crazy. Just one little bolt, but we're going to hit that from the bottom because there's no way to work around that pole. And just the backs. But so far, everything is, it's sturdy. I like it. I'm going to cry, boys. I've been wanting to do this for a minute, but because I was going to buy a harness bar. But I really wanted to do this like I did with the Miata. If you guys go look at my Miata videos, I had also a 6-point auto power cage as well that I bought on Facebook Market, and Facebook Market has not steered me wrong or let me down. So let me go ahead and jack the car up real quick, and let's work on that side first and then we'll work on this side after. Got the wheel off. Doesn't seem to be a liner in here. I thought there was a liner for some reason. So let's go ahead and drill some holes. And by the way, worst coilovers ever. I'll make a separate video for that. But let's get drilling. So once again, we're running into the same problem right here. As you guys can see, I'm gonna have to drill underneath it. Hopefully it goes straight through. But so far so good. Let's keep on going. I did primer that thing white so it wouldn't rust. So I think I'm gonna have to paint something over it later because I don't want it to rust or anything. I so forgot about painting these plates, so I just threw some white primer on them. This is all tied up, ready to go. We're just gonna do that last one over there and we'll be all done. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do this one right here because I have to put the car up on a ramp because, let me see if I can show you. The jacket's in the way. Yeah, the jack's in the way, so I can't really do anything right here. And plus the car's still too low for me to do anything. This thing barely goes underneath it, barely. All right, guys, last side and we'll be done. All right, you guys, today's a new day. I finally finished the cage, as you guys can see. It's a little windy, so hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm gonna go outside and show you how it looks. I don't think you can really see the cage through the tinted windows, so I might remove the tinted windows, but let me know down in the comments below if I should. But let me jump out and show you how the cage looks. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below of what you guys think about this cage or the color I chose. Unfortunately, we cannot see it through the tinted windows. and I'm not liking that. I was hoping it would pop through. Now I don't know if I should remove the tinted windows or not. Drop a comment down below and let me know. But with that being said, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more stuff and follow my journey on the E46 drift build. With that being said, guys, peace out. See you guys on the next one.